Hi. When it comes to shyness and practicing acting in order to get rid of shyness, I feel that there are a lot of misunderstandings going on out there. So when you are shy and you go to an acting class in order to get rid of the shyness, actually, you're not going there to learn something completely new. No, you're going there to uncover something that is already lying beneath the surface, that you already have, and you need to rediscover something yours, okay? That's why we're talking about hidden potential and potential in general. It's already there. You need to uncover it. And the second step will be focusing on your shyness consciously, wanting to resolve it, and that will activate a lot of hidden mechanisms within yourself, and it will help you to transform yourself progressively. It's a process, step by step. And the final step, step number 3, is stick around. Go there. If you see people who are better than you, learn from them. Try to copy them. Try to incorporate everything they do that works. Okay? Stick around knowing that it's a process, and in a very short time you'll see a lot of improvement. If you want to know more about shyness and acting, I created this video last year. You can check it out. I also talk about my personal journey a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. Please check my channel for more acting related content, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.